Good afternoon, students. Welcome back in IT class. We are studying chapter 5th, Introducing LibreOffice Impress. In last class, we have done explanation of this chapter. Today we will do some questions that is related to the LibreOffice Impress. So, open your book and fill this exercise on page number 52. First of all, we will do fill in the blanks. First is LibreOffice Impress is a part of the Dash package. So answer is LibreOffice Impress is a part of the LibreOffice package. LibreOffice is a very big package. In this we have different options like LibreOffice Writer, LibreOffice Impress, spreadsheets and etc. So here we are studying about LibreOffice Impress, that is the part of the LibreOffice package. Second is from the file menu, click the dash option to save a presentation. So first of all, we will click on the file menu and then we will click on the save as option to save a presentation. So answer is save as. Third is you need to click the dash menu to access the open option. So answer is file menu. We need to click the file menu to access the open option. First of all, we will click on the file menu and then we will click on the open option. Fourth is you can press the dash keys to save a presentation. Answer is Ctrl plus S. This is the shortcut key to save a presentation, Ctrl plus S. We will press from the keyboard Ctrl plus S key. Fifth is click the dash option under the file menu to exit LibreOffice Impress. So answer is exit LibreOffice option under the file menu. First of all, we will click on the file menu and then we will click on the exit LibreOffice Impress. And another way, we can also click the close button at the top right corner of the window to exit LibreOffice Impress. Okay, now we will do match the following components of LibreOffice Impress and functions. First is title bar. So answer is C. Title bar displays the name of the presentation. This is the topmost bar in LibreOffice Impress. Second is slide pane. So answer is D. Slide pane displays all the slides in a presentation. मैंने आपको ये एक्सप्लेनेशन में एक डायग्राम के थ्रू अच्छे से क्लियर किया है. सो प्लीज़ लर्न माई एक्सप्लेनेशन. बिल्कुल बहुत ध्यान से केयरफुली आप लिसन कीजिए मेरी एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सी माई दिस डायग्राम. स्लाइड पेन डिस्प्लेज ऑल द स्लाइड्स. लेफ्ट पेन में हमारी स्लाइड्स शो होंगी. So that is the slide pane. Third is slide. Answer is E. It is a page that is displays information. जो भी हम information अपने LibreOffice Impress में डालते हैं, that is the slide. Fourth is toolbar. So answer is B. Toolbar displays various options to perform task. different टास्क को परफॉर्म करने के लिए वी हैव टूल बार. फिफ्थ इज प्लेस होल्डर. सो आंसर इज ए. प्लेस होल्डर इज ए बॉक्स दैट इज कंटेनिंग टेक्स्ट, ग्राफिक्स एंड इवन वीडियो एंड ऑडियो फाइल्स. जिसमें भी हम ऑडियो, वीडियो, ग्राफिक्स जो भी हम उसमें पुट कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ द प्लेस होल्डर. ओके, so now we will do state whether the following statements are true or false. First is you need to save a presentation at regular intervals to avoid loss of data. So answer is true. किसी भी presentation को हम regular way में save करते हैं because of avoid loss of data. जिससे हमारी जो भी हम presentation में जो भी हमने typing करी है वो हमारा loss ना हो. सो इसके लिए हम अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को सेव करते हैं एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स. सेकेंड इज यू कैन नॉट ओपन ए सेव्ड प्रेजेंटेशन. दिस इज़ फॉल्स बिकॉज वी कैन ओपन ए सेव्ड प्रेजेंटेशन. एक बार अगर हमने अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन को सेव कर दिया देन अगेन वी विल क्लिक ऑन ओपन ऑप्शन. थर्ड इज the title bar displays the name of the presentation? Yes, this is true. Title bar is the topmost bar and it displays the name of the presentation. Presentation का जो भी आप name देंगे वो बिल्कुल आपको title bar में show होता है. So this is true. Fourth is the open dialog box appears when you click the save option from the file menu. This is false because when we click on the file menu and then we will click on the save option, then save dialog box appears, not the open dialog box appear. Okay. Fifth is there is only one method to exit LibreOffice Impress. No, this is false. We have different methods to exit LibreOffice Impress, like first of all we will click on the file menu and then we will click on the exit LibreOffice Impress. And second way, we have shortcut key Control plus key to exit the LibreOffice Impress. Third way, we can also click the close button at the top right corner of the window to exit LibreOffice Impress. Okay, so our book exercise is completed. Now we will do some exercise, and that is you have to written in IT notebook. Okay, first of all, multiple choice questions. Question first is, what is the shortcut key to exit the LibreOffice Impress? Options are A. Control plus Q, B is Control plus S, C is Control plus P, and D is Control plus L. So answer is Control plus Q is the shortcut key to exit the LibreOffice Impress. Second is, what is the shortcut key to open a presentation? Options are A. Control plus P, B is Control plus O, C is Control plus C, and D is Control plus L. So answer is Control plus O is the shortcut key to open a presentation. We can press from the keyboard. Third is, which of the following is the default extension of the LibreOffice Impress? Options are A. .odt, B is .doc, C is .odp, and D is .docx. So answer is .odp. .odt is the default extension of LibreOffice Writer, and .odp is the default extension of the LibreOffice Impress. Fourth is, what is the name of LibreOffice presentation? Options are A. Writer, B is Impress, C is Graphic, and D is none of these. So answer is Impress. LibreOffice Impress is the name of the LibreOffice presentation. We can also say LibreOffice Impress and we can also say LibreOffice presentation. Fifth is, which is the topmost bar in LibreOffice Impress? So options are A is status bar, B is the title bar, C is the menu bar, and D is the toolbar. So answer is title bar. Title bar is the topmost bar in LibreOffice Impress. It displays the name of the presentation. Now we will do solve the jumble words. First is Impress, second is presentation, third is slide, fourth is template, and fifth is malfunction. So our book exercise and notebook exercise are completed. Please fill this exercise in your IT book and write this exercise in IT notebook also. In this, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me without hesitation. Please do neat and clean work. Thank you.